Day 16 from 0 to WordPress Hero and will be your challenge. And today we'll be talking about how to add a grip into a website. So yesterday we talked about how you can delete a section or a block or a particular element from your website, from your WordPress website. But today we'll be talking about how you can add a grip, a grid into your website. So a grid is what you can use to add more than one column and more than one row into your website. So for example, now this is a grid, and as you can see, there are many columns and there are more than one row. Alright, so you can actually add one row, but it has to be more than one column. Alright, so I'll be one if maybe for example we are working on a specific what's it called, section that requires you to add more than one element into that specific section side by side. All right, just like this one now. As you can see, supporting sub heading our services, and this is service 1, this is service 2. So if you're working on a section like this and you need to add a grid, maybe you didn't import a template. One of the ways you can easily do it is to import a template. But if you didn't import a template and you would like to add a grid, that is what I'll be showing us today. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the section where you want to add the grid, and then click on the arrow sign, and then click on this plus sign. So you can either click on grid from here, or you can click on grid from here. So all you have to do is to click on the one that will work for you. Alright, so if you click, maybe you want to add maybe two grid, maybe you want to add text on this side and you want to add image on this side. It's as simple as that. So if you later on wants to add many more columns or many more rows, you can easily come here and then increase it to whichever number of columns you want and number of rows that you want. So adding a row or a column to your website is as easy as that, and this helps you to add more than one element to a particular section. All right, so for example, now maybe I want to build an about us section, and I want an image here and I want a text here. All I have to do is click on the plus elements stuff, and then drag the text here and drag the image to the other side, and I'm good to go. I will just upload the image and then put in the text that I need here, and I'm good to go. So adding a grid to your website is as easy as that. Thank you, and that will be the end of the class. Please, if you have any question or any topic you want me to talk about, please drop in the comment section, and if you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and also subscribe. Thank you, and God bless.